Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And if you watched this video last night, I was able to accomplish this really quick. Well, now today I'm going to try to show you how to put some dark and gradient areas so it'll look like it actually goes underneath it. So we need to just take two rectangles. We're going to do one like that. I'm going to hit the plus key and then rotate the second one 90 degrees. This is a little bit confusing to me, but I ended up getting it to work out. So now we're going to open up a Windows Docker's properties, and we're going to click on our first one. I'm going to call this one the first one because this is going in the yellow one. I'm going to go to fountain fill, and you see it's like that. And then you can take this color and change it to a black. We want kind of blacks on the end, but we want something in the middle, so I'm going to double click in the middle. And there's no color there. Actually, it's kind of a little bit confused. There we go. We got a box now. We're going to really make it a white. You maybe shouldn't. But see how it's going the opposite direction? We can go right down here and rotate it 90 degrees. And now it's going to look like it's going down and up and down and up. Now on this one, we'll do the same thing, but we want that other direction. So we'll just let's do this color first. Grab on there, it's white. We're gonna make it black. And then double click multiple times on there. And you see the positions at 50%, you can change it to 39 or manually put it back in the middle. You can actually add more or less, but we're gonna go back and add that white. Now we're gonna kind of like save these. Well, I actually want that rotated 90 degrees because I want the color. If you kind of imagine it looks like a hump already. Now I'm going to grab them both. I'm going to take away the outline. I don't need the outline. I'm going to go ahead and shut down my properties docker. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Styles, Object Styles. And right here, Set Styles, I'm going to add 2 clicks. I'm going to call this one my first one, so I'm just going to drag it off into my style. I'm going to take this one's going to be my second one, and I'm going to drag it into styles. Now, if this works, I've got all the yellow combined or grouped together because we can do it all at one time. I'm going to grab that and go to styles 1, and it actually did the red, so much I had the red. So let's actually nudge that down so that can't happen again. Now I'm going to actually call it set 1 on this too, but that's opposite. And this is where I'm a little bit confused because I did them both right, but now we're going to rotate this back to 0, and it looks like that. So if you have trouble with this, you can just rotate the whole thing. Now I've got them all grouped together, so they're all going to work. Now the end, that looks, from here, it looks pretty spectacular. You know, it's white and then it's dark. Now, the only thing wrong with it is it's kind of white on the ends on some of them, but maybe shouldn't be, but you could, always ungroup it and change it. But if that's not a basket weave pattern quickly by doing the styles. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.